We are talking about Liverpool.
Oh, okay.
Okay. With Liverpool here. Wow. I'm here in Denver to surprise the LFC Denver Supporters Club for a documentary that Western Union and LFC are producing. I'm going to be transformed into this wonderful director. At the very end of the game, I'll be drawing for two people to go to Anfield to watch a game. They say that this is the best LFC Supporters Club in the world, and I'm here to find out. I'm Bruce Grobler, but today I'm Dave, the perfectionist director.
Here we go.
Dave Pickett.
Dave, nice to meet you, Dave.
Dave Pickett.
Nice to meet you, Dave. How are you?
Very good, very good. Have we got sound here, please? So tell me what it means to you to be a Liverpool fan.
I think for me, it's kind of like a sense of community.
We don't care what time in the morning the matches are. We all show up fired with passion.
Played Man United.
Excuse me, could you stop it? Could you actually answer that a little slower?
Sure. When Liverpool come over for pre-season.
Sorry, I'm going to stop you there. Sorry, could you answer that again now a little quicker?
Now a little quicker?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me your ideal Liverpool Football Club five-a-side team.
Gerrard's in the middle. Obviously, he's got to be.
In goals, Ray Clemens.
Wow. We're going to cut that.
I'm going to fail at this.
I'm really an Everton supporter.
Okay.
Do you know that Western Union have got an app on your phone?
Absolutely.
Download it. You might send some money to your mother.
I hope it's the other way around.
But we run out of time, sorry. We're cutting it.
The director of this Western Union Liverpool documentary, Dave, is going to come up and draw the winner out for us.
Wouldn't you want a real legend to stand here?
Yes.
Well, here we go. And the winning ticket is 74.
I had no idea it was Bruce under there. It's just phenomenal. To have a legend actually show up, I think that's just going to continue to grow the club and grow the fan base here in Denver. It was a great day.
Download the Western Union app now and send money quickly and reliably to over 200 countries and territories.